Hi everyone, it's Neelam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another exciting video from the Dollarama. Look, this 10-watt phone charger, and then the USB charger for your car, and the phone stand $4, $5. I was so amazed by the price, by the way. So I think it's really good to share with you guys if you're looking for the electronic stuff at affordable prices, like this indoor Wi-Fi outlet. I have the Wi-Fi outlet, and I really love it in the Christmas season. And then these ribbon lights, it's a color changing timer on the $5. I really love this tripod for camera, and this is actually really good quality. And this LED light, and then this phone stand $2.50. So I really love to share these kind of video. So if you're looking the electronic stuff in the better price, you should check the Dollarama. It's not a sponsor, but I really love to share the prices, and if they have the new item like this octopus tripod stand, I think it's really sturdy and good quality. Like this LED light for $5, cheaper than Amazon. And this cake rack was $5. Like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in my next one.